Hello and welcome to my happy place. I hope you will join me here in creating this canvas. I have used Voyager's Fantastiques paper, some texture plates and some molds in exciting ways. I've included in my video 3 different stages. The first video shows you how to create the molded items and the paper elements required. The second video, we prepare the canvas. In the third video, we put it all together. I've also included PDF notes with close-up views of measurements, close-up views of each canvas, and then my kind of behind-the-scenes thought process into how I have created this canvas. Hopefully you will too create a canvas you can hang with a clock that you can use in your home or in your studio. I'll see you there. Bye.